I was waiting for the...
All right, we are down here at the diesel salt. It's been a while since we've been at a diesel salt. We're just down here tonight just to make sure everything works for all the other no prep stuff we've got going on, so be a part of it. I think it's an important thing to be a part of what's going on with performance in diesel, so coming to events like this is where we started, so we're gonna let the button off and just try to get into second gear. Hopefully it hooks up, and then we'll come back and make a game plan from that point. But for now, I just want to let the button off and everything work and check the data when we get back. But yeah, we're down here. Yeah, first run down, I forgot to turn the nitrous on. So that was a fuel only hit, 7.0 fuel only, with nearly no fuel in it. So pretty happy with that. We'll cool it down, go again. I'll make sure I got the nitrous on. But yeah, check the data. I'm just super keen to see that everything's still healthy. But yeah, see how that goes.
She's gone.
He just walked up and went.
That's good. 14.02 is quick. 14. I didn't think it'd do that.
Yeah.
I think it's 16.
If she can get a 13, that'd be cool.
She absolutely smoked him.
Tell her to go line up again.
Yeah, that's cool.
She did it perfectly, just like he said.
Yeah. She did well. She did well. Proud dad, proud dad. Yeah. You get this level?
Yeah. 26. Yeah.
Wow.
I cooked him too. I cooked him. You got him off the line.
So what I want you to do is go down to the bottom corner and come up next to the toilets here.
Yeah.
And just cool it down a little bit.
Okay, just like run it.
Yeah, and Ty can lift the bonnet up just to let as much heat out of the bonnet as he
for the
can.
next one. So
Yeah.
we've got cool.
And then what RPM did you leave at?
About 38 to 4.
Yeah.
And then I just dropped it.
Yeah, so break it and do that and try to get as much as you can and then leave. Don't let it sit there and build boost because it'll go out on like a torque limiter.
Yeah.
So as soon as you get right up to maximum RPM, just fully let go of the brake as hard as you can.
So kind of wait for the yellow to go, like
Wait for all that to go down. Don't even worry about that.
Yeah.
But just try to get as much heat out of it as you can.
Yeah, no. I was booking.
Ash, how was your first time?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I mean, I was pretty nervous, I suppose, but I got up to line and I was fine. It was more nerve-wracking waiting for as long as we did.
The build-up?
Oh, the build-up was ridiculous. I was like, let's just get this done.
Nah, it looked good.
It's good. Thanks.
Just starting to sneak up on it a little bit now. So it went well. It's a bit tricky on nights like tonight because the track falls away. So I have come up a lot in RPMs, very lazy off the line. So this run is going to be a lot more aggressive. And then at the end of the night, there's a Duramax running around here apparently in a ute. So we'll give them a race at the end of the night and something for the crowd, I suppose. It'll be good. Last hit, I actually used the nitrous, which was good. We're just swapping over the bottle right now and we'll see how this bottle goes. I've been a lot more aggressive in the nitrous map, so we'll see if it hooks. I've changed a fair bit, so I can change it back, but I've been pretty aggressive. I'm going to swing for it here. See how we...
Is this thing so?
Last hit, base. We had a little bit of rain before, so it's only going to take one person breaking something, which is pretty normal at a drag strip for us not to get around again because it takes about an hour to go through the line because it's quite big tonight. So this is it. I'm going to go out the back door with it. I got it spiced up a bit. Not a heap, but enough for these little tyres and the track surface we've got right now, so it'll be good. It'll be fun.
What's the problem?
Solenoid's loose. Would have been leaking.
So what's Frank doing now?
I think we're gonna do one more run. Hopefully.
love it. How good is it to see Frankenmule? How are you guys feeling? Who's going to turn it up? See this. We cannot wait. What do you reckon, folks? Round of applause for the crew. How good is that? We love having that in the house.
All right, 9.0. You know, was hoping for a little bit better than that, but I am on the little tyres, so can't be too disappointed with it. Did spice up the 60 foot, which I did want to do. Having to relearn the gearbox again is, we've got a lot of data on the gearbox being old and being worn. So now just got to redo the front part of our tune, but it was a good night. Like, it's in one bit. Does have an exhaust leak, manifold leak, and we're going to fix that up. But the data from the motor and the data from the gearbox, it's healthy, so I'm happy. Good night. 300 went well. Super proud of Ash for driving it. Nearly the 13. I didn't expect 14.0, so pretty cool. And then the track fell away, so bunny hopped. Couldn't hook up, but that's pretty normal. You got to get here and early to run a good time. But that's just the nature of the beast with diesel assault. So yeah, that's going to lead us into Jungabunga cash day. So good data. We can definitely go up from there, which I'm super impressed with because we're above the RPM that I used to leave when I was there. So I just got to sneak up on the lockup a bit closer. But yeah, pretty cool. Overall, the night was a success with the 300 and with Frank. So I'm stoked. So catch us next time. We'll be at Jungabunga. Yeah, it'll be a good one. So yeah, like, subscribe. Yeah, we're gonna make more of this content. I know we say that all the time, but we're busy.